Hi students, welcome to our YouTube channel K Institute. In this video we are going to explain about exponents and powers. Students, many of the students, they are unable to read the exponents and powers formulas, and they are unable to remember, and they are unable to utilize this while solving the sum. So each and every step, most of the steps in mathematics from 9th or 10th standard, you will be having the steps which are related to this. Means in this steps you are going to use the exponents and powers formulas. So students, here we are going to learn few, okay, which are created by my own, but here few of them are from textbook and few of them are from my own, but based on the experience I am creating these formulas. More I can create, but today in this video just we are going to learn only 10 formulas. Those with examples I am going to explain you. Okay, the first one is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay student, first of all we will what is the exponent and what is power we will see. This a is known as exponent, this a is known as exponent, and this m is known as power. Okay student, this you need to remember. A is known as exponent and m is known as power. So how we will read for this first formula? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Like I can give the small example, 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 3 plus 4, that is equal to 2 power 7. Like this you should use the formula. Okay, so whenever you are having the variables bases same, then you need to add the powers. Okay, but it should be in multiplication, that you need to remember. Here a power 0 is equal to 1, a power 0 we will learn, that is equal to 1. Like I can give one example, that is 100 power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and one more, suppose this is the 2000 rupees note, 2000 rupees note power 0 is equal to 1. This you need to remember student. The next formula is a power m into b power m, a power m into b power m, that is equal to ab whole power m. Okay, here I am going to use the formula. I am going to use one example, that is 3 power 2 into 3 power 5, sorry, 4 power 2. Here one compared to this one, here the bases a are same, means exponent are same, but the powers are different. Here you can observe, here the exponents are different but the powers are same. At that time you need to multiply the exponents 3 into 4, then write down the power once, means same power you should write down, that is 3 4s are 12, 12 power 2, then 12 12 you should do, that you will be getting 144. Okay, 144 you will be getting. Okay, then next a power m by b power m, a power m by b power m. How you will learn? A power m by or upon, also you can learn upon b power m, that is equal to a by b whole power m. Then one example for you, for remembering sake, that is 3 by 2 whole power 5, 3 by 2, or we can take simple example, 3 by 2 whole power 2. Then I can write this as 3 square by 2 square, that is equal to 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. Okay, I have written in this form, then I have converted in this form, then I have simplified that, then 3 square will be 9 and 2 square will be 4. Then a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay, and here minus is there, power is minus. When we are taking to denominator, the power will become plus. If nothing is there, you need to assume the plus side. Then I can take one example, that is 10 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square, that is equal to 10 square is equal to 1 by 100. Like this you can observe this, you can remember this formula. Okay, the next, coming to the next formula, root a by b. Here this is the numerator and this is the denominator, right? So I can write separately root a by root b, like root 25 by root 36. Okay, I am going with example. Okay, I am going with example. So I am going with examples here. The example is under root of 25 by 36. This can be written as root 25 by root 36. Then you will be getting root 25, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 36 is 6. So like this you can simplify. Then coming to the next formula, root a into root b, that you can write as root ab. So whenever you are having separate root a and root b, then you can write into, but it should be in multiplication. Okay, then root 3 into root 4, then that can be written as 3 into 4. that can be written as 3 4s are 12. So the root 12 is the final answer. Okay, so like this you should apply the formula while doing the sums. Then coming, this is also a very important formula. Here I can find, I will show you a small example for finding the value of x, like 2 power x is equal to 2 power 5. Then what is the formula? See here, a power m is equal to a power n. When compared to this first one and eighth one formula, here between the exponents you are having the multiplication sign, but here between these two you are having the equal to sign. So whenever you are having equal, you should equate the powers. Okay, this power m and n, already we said that m is equal to power, then you will be getting x is equal to 5 easily. Understand, student? Like this you should apply the formula. Okay, mostly for 7th and 8th standard this formula is helpful in exponent and powers chapter. Okay, next coming to this, a into a square. Okay, a into a, why? Because bases are same, see here bases are, exponents are same, then you need to add the powers. Here nothing power is there, you need to assume as 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is a square. Okay, I can take one example, 2 into 2, I can write as 2 square, then 2 square means 4, or 2 2s are 4, like this also you can write, or you can convert into exponential form and then you can write as 4. Then root a into root a, like root 2 into root 2, then you will be getting root 2 whole square, square root and square get cancelled, then you will be getting the answer is 2. So one more small example I will show you, one more new formula, because here root a into root b we have done, no? Then you will be having doubt that if you are having root a minus root b, what we have to do. So I will be saying that root a minus root b will be the same, we cannot subtract, so the answer is same. If it is plus also, the answer will be same. So students, like this you need to remember these formulas and try to learn and by heart these formulas and observe where it is useful. So wherever it is useful, there you, while doing the problem, there you keep the since, means bracket open, due to this formula we have written this step. Like this, if you are writing again and again in your classwork, homework, or whenever teacher is explaining you, then you will be remembering these formulas and it will be helpful a lot, and you will be clarifying your confusion from variables, why we are adding the powers, why x cube into x power 4 is equal to x power 7, these all the things. Okay, here x cube into x power 4 is equal to x power 4 plus 3 is equal to x power 7. Like this, students, these formulas are very helpful a lot, because while teaching my students, I have observed that many of the students, they are unable to learn this, they are unable to pronounce how to, they are learning like am into an, that is very wrong. You should learn as a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. Like this you should learn. So students, if you understand, please like, subscribe to our channel and share as much as possible. Jai Hind.